Namaste to all health and nature lovers. Welcome to my channel Pratibha's Organic Hub. The dengue menace is rapidly and randomly spreading across the country. It's very essential to take some precautions and also preventive measures. First and the foremost is to build the immune system very strongly because it is very important to fight against viral infections and also viral fevers. Maintaining the clean and healthy surroundings is also very important. Many of us think dengue is not curable. But no, it is very much curable. It is not a threatening fever. So come on friends, here I am to make your job easy. Today's video is all about how to cure dengue at home. Yes, we can absolutely cure dengue with these easily and readily available home remedies. Before starting the video, I would like to share something. I am not doing this video just by reading an article or blog. All the home remedies which I am sharing are very practically tested and tried. Last year, my daughter diagnosed with dengue. I treated at home itself with all these natural and powerful home remedies without using any antibiotics. I only gave her fever tonic to regulate the body temperature. The early identification of the symptoms is also very important. Some of the common symptoms are high fever, headache, vomitings, diarrhea, rashes, nose and gum bleeding, loss of appetite, etc. As soon as the symptoms are identified, immediate and proper treatment is very much needed. So come on friends, without any further delay, let's unfold these honorable home remedies which are very effective and powerful in fighting off this dengue fever. It's always good to consult a physician before starting any treatment. My first mention is papaya leaf extract. Papaya leaf extract is very effective in increasing the platelet count. It is packed with very good raw enzymes, nutrients, vitamins, etc. Now let's see the preparation of papaya leaf extract, which is very simple and easy. Just give 25 ml of this extract once or twice a day. If the condition is too critical, you can give it 3 to 4 times for every 2 hours gap. My second mention is papaya fruit. Yes, papaya fruit is also very effective in increasing the platelet count. If you are okay with eating the fruit directly, you can eat it. It's also good to take in the juice form. My third mention is aloe vera juice. Yes, aloe vera juice plays a significant role in increasing the platelet count and also amino acids. The fall in the platelet count leads to the fall in amino acids. The aloe vera juice helps to increase the platelet count and also amino acids. It's best to use freshly prepared aloe vera juice. Otherwise, you can also use store-bought aloe vera. I prefer this aloe vera juice. This is Vitro Naturals 100% pure and organic aloe vera juice. The details of this juice are provided in the description below. Just take 25 ml of this juice once or twice a day. My fourth mention is coconut water. Green coconut water is also very effective in increasing the platelet count. This is the natural magical potion which our Mother Nature gifted us, which is packed with many essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals. You can also squeeze one lemon to make it further healthy. My fifth mention is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice plays a significant role in boosting and strengthening the immune system. It is packed with strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. You can take this juice twice or thrice to recover soon. My last but not the least mention is vitamin C and vitamin K fresh fruits. Both vitamin C and vitamin K are very important in strengthening the immune system. The vitamin C and vitamin K fruits are very essential in increasing the platelet count. They also help to fight off the dengue fever very easily and quickly. Take lot of fruits like oranges, sweet limes, kiwis, lemons, and also berries like strawberries, raspberries, etc. I give my daughter specially oranges, sweet limes and kiwis because she like it. My purpose to make this video is to help lot many friends out there and get benefited by these magical home remedies which are very effective and powerful in fighting off this dengue fever. Please take lot of liquids for every 1 hour gap and follow all the above mentioned home remedies very strictly without any excuse. Do platelet count test and antigen test for every alternate days. Here I want to say something. Before starting any treatment, trust is very important. If you have trust in natural cures, it's good to go with this. Otherwise, you can make your choice. If you found the video is helpful, please share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Pratibha's Organic Hub. That's all for today, friends. See you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling. Thank you.